Good evening. I am Sudarshan Sukhani and today is 30th December 2020 Wednesday. As usual in this video show, we talk about intraday and swing trading ideas for the Nifty and the Bank Nifty. I am using the charts today to explain my point of view as the feedback I had for the use of charts was helpful. This is a Nifty futures 30-minute chart. 30 minutes because I find a larger time frame to be comfortable whether I am trading intraday or swing trading. Actually, I take all my trades intraday, and then many of these trades will become swing trades because they are strong enough to be carried forward. Now on this 30-minute chart, the first thing that we observe is that this is the blue line. As you can see the mouse pointer, the blue line is the fast moving average, the red line is the slow moving average. Both of them are adaptive zero lag moving averages of different types. The blue line, the fast one, has been consistently above the red line. So far the trend is intact and there is no change in the short term uptrend. I say short term because this uptrend is on a 30-minute chart, but it's still absolutely intact. So we are only looking to buy, not to sell. Now let's look at the price action for the day. This is where the market opened today. After that, in the first 15 minutes the markets fell. Now we usually take a 15-minute breakout, but this bar was so wide, it was very difficult to take a breakout of a 100-point bar. So we have to wait for some other signal to buy into. What is that other signal? The charts will tell us as the market unfolds. Finally, we got that other signal here. See, the market went sideways, it started falling, and then it had a big decline. What is so special about the decline? The decline was in fact below this line. This is the low of the day. This is another set of lows on yesterday. So, but this is the important part. The market fell below the low of the day, and you see it fell below the low, and then it quickly rallied back to close above the low. What does it mean? This is a pattern called a spring, S-P-R-I-N-G, a Wyckoff spring. The Wyckoff spring tells us that this low was broken, buyers came in, and the prices immediately bounced back. How do you buy this? You buy above the high of this price bar. The next price bar did not go above this high, but after that, and what is the high? The high of the price bar was 929, 13,929. So here this price bar was broken. We go long above 13,929 with this stop. Now this is a wide stop for an intraday trade or a swing trade also. But we know that if the market starts going in our direction, we will immediately move the stop to the next bar low and then to the subsequent bar low. So as the market closed here, we moved our stop from this point to this point. As the market again rallied to close higher, we moved our stop from here to here. We also see that the market is now coming to a point where it is going to have the end of session. So we have to be prepared to exit. Every 30-minute bar, we move our stop to the low of the previous bar. Here, 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 and here. If the prices had crossed this line, we would have got out just at this point. Finally, they did not. They went up and closed almost at the top of the day's range. The trade fetched us 49 points, although I don't know if we would have exactly got 49. But whatever, whether we got 35 or 40, because we could have waited to buy, waited to sell. But 35, 40 points for a trade on a day which was a nothing day was pretty good. So this is how you take the trades. If you don't have an opening range breakout, you wait patiently for some patterns that you like to take. I also like to look at head and shoulder patterns in this chart, although it wasn't available today, but sometimes it does give. So you select a favorite patterns, start with a basic pattern and then move on to your favorites if the basic pattern is not available. This is a video which will have to be for Hindi also. It's too late, so I don't think I can make a Hindi video. Please understand and accept my apologies for it. आप दोनों हिंदी और अंग्रेजी में इसको देखने वाले इसको आज देख लें. थैंक यू वेरी मच. धन्यवाद. सी यू टुमारो. जय हिंद.